Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now to set it up, choose the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, click on Not Now if you want to, or just close it right away by hitting OK. Now tap on your screen and select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung device. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung Ultra. Now, using all of those categories at the top, you can pick all of your files that you wish to send. I will go with only a couple of them, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And then hit Download after Watch Add. If you wish to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Allow camera access after closing an ad over here. And last but not least, point your camera at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!